Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today I wanted to do a tutorial for my beginners that is going to be easy if you're in a rush for work. I gave you a work look with mascara, and if you have a little more time and you want to glam it up a little more, I actually did the added lashes so you can see how that looks as well. So if you guys do like this look, then please continue to watch. Please also continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family, and you guys continue to have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you. Bye-bye. Alright beauties, getting started, we're using the L'Oreal Lock-It Brow Pomade, and this is the brush that goes to it. The brush is really nice and very thin and compact, so it's nice for hair-like strokes. So I'm just packing the color on the tail end, and then using what product is left for the front end. And then I'm going to brush it out, and we're going to clean it up with some concealer. If you do want to see a full tutorial on my brows, I have a brow tutorial up using this product so you can see how it is in detail. Now I went in with my Fenty foundation in the color 340 and 380 mixed, and I'm just blending that. I have a foundation, highlight, and contour video as well that is live on my channel if you want to see in detail how I apply my foundation, highlight, and contour. And the concealer I used is a L'Oreal concealer as well. It's this new super blendable concealer, and I like it a lot. So you can see it blends out very well. These are the Fenty matchsticks in the Tan 300 trio, and that's the color Truffle, and the highlighter color is called Caramel. And I like to use this because it brightens. As the concealer conceals, this actually brightens. And I like to blend it out with the brush. And this is just a nice big compact kabuki brush. And I'm using a Real Technique sponge. Next, I'm going in with this CoverGirl translucent powder in the color Tawny, and just setting my face in all the areas where I highlighted to make sure there's no creasing. Then going in with my It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics collab, and I'm using the color Mocha, and I am contouring, just setting that cream contour. And now we're contouring the nose by starting from the eyebrows and bringing it down and blending that out with the kabuki brush. Now going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, I'm going to set all of the highlighted areas. And I love to use this powder because it brings a little bit of color back into my skin. And I'm just adding a little bit of extra powder because I am going to be doing my shadow after, and I wanted to catch any fallout. And I just went back over and blended out my contour once again. Now I'm putting concealer on my lids as a primer, and I just went into my It's My Ray Ray collab into the color Pancake as my transition shade. Next, to deepen that transition, I went into the color called Control Freak, and I am just blending that up and back and forth in circular motions right into the crease. And just take your time and just blend, 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 and make sure there's no harsh lines. Now we're going to go into the color called Spice, and I'm blending that over the lid. And I'm just blending, blending, blending until all the colors meet. And just blending a little bit more. Now I want to deepen up that outer V to bring some more depth into this look. So I went into the color called Midnight, and I'm just blending that right in the outer V. We're not going to bring that any further, just the outer V. And then once that's blended, just drag it a little into the crease in the middle, but no further than that. Now that that's there, I just wanted to add a little bit more pop of color. So I went into the color called Sunset and blended that all over the lid. And if I'm doing this without talking and just really doing it, and I'm in a hurry, this takes not a long time at all. Maybe about 5 minutes to blend out the shadow. And now for my underneath my eye, I just went into the color Spice and mixed the color Midnight and Sunset for my under eye. Then I'm going into this L'Oreal pencil. This is my favorite extreme black pencil. It's an intense color and it has a smudger on the back. So I'm just smudging out that color now that I put it into my waterline. And then just to smoke it out, I'm re-adding the colors once again of Spice, Midnight, and Sunset. And once it's all blended out, you'll see it will have a more smoky look. But you just want to blend back and forth until it all combines good. So now that we've done that, we're just blending away the fallout that happened from the shadows and re-adding some more powder to re-brighten that area, because sometimes when you have fallout, it makes it dull, and I just want to keep that area nice and bright. I'm adding this powder, but I'm going to blend it right off as soon as I finish adding it where I want it, because we've already baked this full time. I just want to re-brighten it really quickly. I'm using BH Studio Pro finishing powder, and I'm just blending away all of that excess powder. And this is also helping to bring color back into my face. Now I just felt like my brows needed a little bit more touching up since I do my brows first. Sometimes after I add foundation, it can mess up the shape a little. And I just went in and fixed where I felt it had kind of faded a little. And I'm just going back and forth until I feel like it looks right. Now I'm going in with this Sonia Kashuk eyeliner. It was just on clearance, so that's why I tried it. It's an okay liner. It's not too shiny. Sometimes I use my NYX matte liner applicator instead of this one because this one is kind of hard and it doesn't have as much control. And this is L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. So I'm noticing I'm really into a lot of L'Oreal products right now. And I'm just blending that mascara back and forth, going on the top and the bottom of the lashes to get the lashes to pop, because I wanted this to be a look that you could wear with no lashes and just mascara, or you could wear it with lashes. So you'll see I'm going to give you a final look that is with just mascara if you're not into the lashes, and I also have a final look with lashes. For now, we're going to go into this blush from the Juvia's Place Saharan 2 Volume Palette. And you see I just mixed those two colors. And then this is the La Peach highlighter from Jackie Aina and Artist Couture. And I really love this highlighter. It is so beautiful. It has this like peach iridescence, and it really is a gorgeous color. And I'm just blending back and forth until I build up the intensity to where I want it to be. You don't want to go in too strong. You want to really just take your time. And you want to go in with less and build from there. Don't go in with more, because once it's applied, you can't take it back. So go in with less and just build from there, and that's what I'm doing. And now I'm just going back in with the brush that I used to apply my blush to blend everything together. And once the highlight is blended, I'm just adding a little more highlight to like the middle portion of where the highlight was to add just a little bit more shine. Now I want to define my contour a little bit more, so I'm just adding a little powder underneath where the contour was, and this is going to brighten it. You'll see a difference. And then I'm using that same highlighter as my inner corner highlight, and also it was used as my brow bone highlight. And just blending, blending, blending. Now I went in with my lipstick from Unique, and it is in the color Sensual, I believe. I'm going to double check. And then this is my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Alright, so now let's go ahead and fix this so we can see the final look if we were to just wear our mascara. And then I'm going to add lashes so you can see how it will look if you add lashes as well. So I'll be right back. Let's go ahead and fix this. No! Alright beauties, this is the final look. If we are going to just do mascara, I am going to go ahead and do add some lashes so you can see how you can turn this into more of a date night look. This is more of like a going to work look, and then if you add lashes, just as simple as adding lashes, I want you to see the difference. So I'll be right back with those lashes. I got my lash in this little lash holder. I don't know what to call it. Our lash applicator. I'm going as close to the lash line as possible. And then I'm pushing it down into my lash. Okay, so that is applied and it's nice and it's firmly down. Now I'm just pressing with my fingers, pushing it back against my lash to make sure that it is pressed down all the way around. Then I'm using this to press it close to my lashes. Alright beauty, so this is the final look. We did this look with mascara and then we added the lashes to show you how you can step it up by just adding just a little touches. So this is what we did for like a weekend look, and then I showed you how you could do this for like a work look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know below. Thank you guys so much for your support and thank you for watching. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to grow our family. If you guys have any specific requests that you would like me to do, please leave them below and I'd be glad to do them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.